Big Boss Lady of Wood Stencil Co.
And I'm Cherie. I'm the Chief Catalyst of Wood Stencil Co. Together, we are the mother-daughter duo behind these not-your-average DIY craft kits.
Well, it's basically a wood sign or a canvas product that has been customized for you to make. But what it means is something different for everyone. Some people like to do crafts, and this is an easy craft that they can do that comes with everything they need to complete it. While others like to spice up their room with something cool, or they like the sense of accomplishment. And you can look at it every day and say, hey, I made that.
What I really love about the DIY craft kits is not only are they fun to make and assemble, but they don't end up in the landfill after you're done the craft. We proudly display ours in the living room and your bedroom, and it's nice. We can call it our home decor. They're beautiful. The other thing is the gift of time. These kits can be enjoyed by kids away from screen time, which is amazing for parents, or families can take these kits and do it together, and it's a great way to spend quality time together.
It started back in March during the pandemic when my mom, my brother, and I decided to make a wood sign. We made one for my aunt for her birthday, and it was really fun. We gave it to her, and it actually looks pretty good on her mantelpiece. So then me and my brother decided to make a wood sign for my mom for her birthday, and it was a surprise. It was an amazing experience. We had to pick the font, find a good quote, find good colors, cut and prepare the wood. It was so awesome. Wazza!
So when Megan had the spark of an idea to create a DIY craft kit, I jumped on it. I was all in. People who know me know that I'm an entrepreneur at heart, and I've worked with and been inspired by local women entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are a different breed. They are ambitious, they have tenacity. Entrepreneurs dream big, but what really sets them apart is that they take the initiative to turn that dream into reality. Then I thought, there's no better way to empower my kids than to expose them to this world. There's a saying that I actually say to my kids all the time. Do you know it?
What's the harm in trying? If you don't try, you'll never know.
So we did it. We tried. And it's been 3 months and business has been going very well. We're still really enjoying it. Megan's been involved in all aspects of the business, from the design work to the product releases, and now she's taken full control of our video editing for our tutorials on YouTube. I hope that through this experience, we develop a strong bond and we lay down a solid foundation for when she grows into a young adult.
This whole experience has been really fun and inspiring for me, and I hope that we can inspire other people, kids or adults, to do the same.